Good morning, students. How are you all? All are fine. So this is our mathematics class. Okay, you have learned numbers up to 1 to 20. So in that lesson, you learned about ascending order, counting numbers, number names, comparison of numbers. You have learned no before, between, and after. You have learned. So now it's time for exercise. So I will tell you, I will explain you the exercise, and after that I will send you the homework. So you have to do in your copy. Understood? You have to do that homework in your copy. So now I'll explain you one by one. Question number 1. Count the object. Count the object. Objects are given here. You just have to count. Also, write the number name. You don't have to write number. You have to write number also and number name also. Here, one is done for you. Here, you can see we will count. First of all, count the object. We will count the object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 balloons are there, no? So here it is written 20 and the number name also TWENTY 20. So like that only you have to count, you have to write number and number names. Understood the question number 1? Count the object, also write the number name. One is done for you. So I think you will do this. Now it's time for question number 2. Rewrite the number in the correct column. One is done for you. Tens and ones. You have learnt, no? Tens and ones. 10 means 10. 10 means 10 and 1 for one number. Okay. So 12. 10 plus 2. 12. We have learned, no? 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 9, 19. 20, 20. 10, 10, 20. You understood? So now it's time for exercise. 12. 10 plus 2. It means 110 means 10. 110 means 110. 10, 10 is there. 110 means 10. 10 plus 2. It means 12. 10 plus 2. 12. Now like that you have to say 10 plus 5, 15. So 1, 5. Understood? This is your second number question. Rewrite the number in the correct column. One is done for you. Which is tens, you have to write there, and which is ones, you have to write there. Understood? So now, next question. Write the number that comes just before the given number. You know this, you know the counting up to 20, you know. Write the number that comes just before the given number. Before number you know, no? Before 13 what comes, you have to write. Before 19 what comes, you have to write. Before 17 what comes, you have to write. And before 15 what comes, you know. Okay? So this is very easy question. Next. Write the number that comes just after the given number. Now just after the given number. After 17 what comes? After 13 what comes? After 18 what comes? And after 11 what comes? Just write the numbers in one side and from there you can see and write. Okay? This is a very easy method. Shade the box that has the greatest number. Shade the box that has the greatest number. You have to shade that box. You have to shade like this. In that box, which number is greater? In 15 and 5, which number is greatest? Just you shade that number. Shade that box. Just you color that box. Understood? Just if in 12 and 2, if 12 is greater, just you have to color the 12 box. Understood? Shade the box that have the smaller number. In this you have to see the smaller number. You have to you have to shade the smaller number. 6 1 9, 6 ones 9 ones. Which ones? I don't know. Which is greater? 6 ones is greater or 9 ones is greater? 110 2 ones. 110 2 ones means 12. 110 2 ones. 110 10 plus 2 12. 110 3 ones, it means 13. So just please see to it carefully and do it. Circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. Here you can see the smallest number. You have to just find the smallest number in 17, 12, 3 and 13. Which is the smallest number of all? Which is the smallest number of all? In this 15, 10, 5, 16. Which is the smallest number? Just you have to circle that number. 11, 7, 17, 19. Which is the smallest number? Just you have to circle that number. Circle the greatest number. Now just opposite. Circle the greatest number. Whichever number is greatest, just you have to circle that number. Understood? Arrange the numbers in order using greater than or less than. You know how to arrange in greater than and less than. In ascending order, how you have to write? To smallest, smaller to largest, smaller to largest. So, which sign you will use? Which sign you will use? You will use the greater than sign. You know? So, please revise it, okay? Arrange the numbers in ascending order given in picture 1 and in descending order given in picture 2. So, here is a train. You can see a train, no? Here you can see a train. 14, 17, 15, 18. So, in this, here you have to write. This is picture 2. Write the descending order here. Here you have to write in descending order. Here you have to write in descending order. Okay. Largest to smallest. Largest to smallest. And here you have to write small to largest. Understood? Thank you, students. This is your exercise. Your exercise is finished. Please do your exercise in your note copy. Thank you.